Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel talking all things HotShot Trucking. And I am still here, guys. We are still here. We are still running. I know it's been a while since my last YouTube video, but I do hope that everybody out there is being safe and staying healthy. I did get a video request to talk about broker packets, and I am going to go through a series of videos talking more and diving deep into what paperwork actually looks like for HotShot Trucking Company. I do want to talk about renewing your IRP registration. I want to talk about MCS 150, your biennial update, when to do it and how to do it. I do want to talk about how to hire some drivers. So in the next couple of videos, I am going to dive a little bit deeper into the paperwork. And if you guys have any requests, definitely let me know. You can email me at messageKFO@gmail.com and ask me any questions or request to do a video, and I can definitely share as much information as possible. But today we are talking about broker packets, and I actually talked a little bit about it in my last couple of videos, but I do want to dive a little bit deeper and show you exactly what the paperwork looks like. So I am going to get on the computer and show you a broker agreement, carrier packets. I'm going to show you what a W-9 looks like. I'm going to show you what our certificate of insurance looks like. And then I'll also show you what our authority paper looks like. And these are all things that you're going to have to give to the broker so you guys can get your rate con and get your truck loaded and get going. So we are going to dive into the computer, so I'll see you in there. Okay, guys, here we are on my computer, and we are taking a look at first the broker carrier agreement. So after you get off the phone with your broker and you agree to carry this load for him, he is going to have to get you set up in his system. So what he'll do is he'll send you over a carrier packet. So this carrier packet is just his agreement. So this is a contract like any other contract. It's pretty basic, agreeing to the terms. They have broker requirements, carrier obligations. They have shipper-broker relationship, broker-carrier relationship, no broker control, carrier liability, bill of ladings. Okay, so this is kind of all comprehensive, making sure that both parties are safe and agreeing to the terms. For example, this is their insurance clause in here, and this company requires $1 million liability, and then they also require 100,000 in cargo. So I do know that the minimum for the FMCSA, your minimum liability is 750,000, but according to this contract, this company requires $1 million. So just make sure that you are thinking about that when you get insurance. Most brokers do require the $1 million. I haven't had any problems because I do have the $1 million, but I haven't had any problems. I've heard of some people having some problems getting hired because of the 750,000. So just think about that when you guys are getting insurance. But this, is a pretty comprehensive contract, pretty long, just making sure that both parties are being safe and agreeing to the terms. So you will sign this back. We did sign this electronically, so there's no physical signature on there. But you will sign it, send it back to him, and then also what you will send to him is what he needs. There's three things, and first is the authority. So this is what our authority paperwork looks like. I do have our information blurred out just to keep us safe, but this is what your authority paperwork will look like as well. It'll be or needs to be on a letterhead. And it'll say this certificate is evidence of the carrier's authority to engage in transportation as a common carrier of property by motor vehicle in interstate or foreign commerce. Okay, so this is what brokers are looking for, making sure that you are clear with the FMCSA. Second is the W-9. This is just a basic W-9, basic tax form. Fill it out. We have the comprehensive 4-page one, 5-page one, but what most brokers would need is just the first page with all your information on it. Okay, and then last is the certificate of insurance. We have insurance through Progressive. So this is what a basic certificate of insurance looks like. We do have the $1 million here for liability and then the 100,000 cargo. So we do meet those requirements according to this broker company that we're working with right now. So in some broker companies will require them to be the certificate holder just for a particular load that you're carrying for them. So either you will reach out to your insurance agent and they can do a certificate holder for you. But with Progressive, you are actually allowed to log into your Progressive account online and then create a certificate holder yourself. And so the only information you would need for a certificate holder is the broker company's name and the broker company address. And then it will put it in this little area box right here where it says certificate holder, and that's some things that some brokers require. Not all brokers require it, but some of them do, and you can do it through your online Progressive account or you can do it through your agent. So either way. So these are what consists of a broker packet or a carrier packet. Your particular carrier packet that you send to a broker would be authority, W-9, and then the certificate of insurance. So if you want to scan it all to computer and put it all on one file, list the authority first, W-9 or certificate, whatever order you want to be in, you can put it together in one document and it can be a whole lot faster when you're sending it to them. Okay, so after you sign your agreement and you send it to them as well with the authority, the W-9, and the certificate of insurance, send it all to him and he will take it from there. The broker will get you signed up in their system, and then once you are cleared in their system, he will send you the rate con. And so just like this agreement, you will sign the rate con electronically and send it right back to them. And then as soon as all the paperwork is signed and finished, you are ready to send your driver to go get your load. Okay, so I will see you back at the desk.
Okay, and we are back at the computer, and I hope that this video has definitely helped you prepare on what to do when it comes to brokers and how to handle brokers and deal with brokers. You guys know exactly what a broker contract looks like. You know exactly what you need to send to him. You need to send your W-9, your authority, and also your certificate of insurance, so you know what everything looks like, so you guys are better prepared when it comes to dealing with these brokers. Don't forget, have things saved on your computer so you guys can send them via email very fast. We know how brokers do. They are very quick to give the load to somebody else if you're just a little bit too slow. So make sure that you guys are saving things on your computer. It's a lot faster, a lot easier to just attach a document to an email and send it to him immediately. So make sure that you guys remember, stay organized. As soon as your load is finished, make sure that you guys are creating files. Me particularly, I create files for individual loads. So each file that I keep in my filing cabinet for loads is all in one folder. Okay, so what I will put in the folder is the rate con that you signed. I'll get the original or a copy of the BOL and put it in this folder, and then I will also get the driver's logs. So if you have an ELD, this is very simple, very easy. You just print off the days that the load was done. It already has the pre-inspection, post-inspection checklist in your ELD, and then it also electronically gives you the driver's logs, so it makes things a lot easier, a lot faster. Okay, so make sure that you guys are staying organized. Make sure that you guys are saving things on a passport or a big hard drive. Just make sure that you guys are staying organized, because what we're doing here in the office is for our company just in case of an audit. The only reason why we keep files and everything organized and all of our files correct is because of an audit. That's the reason why we are doing this, and also to stay in compliance. Okay, guys? So I hope that this video has definitely helped you learn how to sign carrier packets, what to expect, so you guys are ready. But you guys know what to do. Definitely click like, click subscribe, and comment below. All right. Thank you for watching.